What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a ticket bot to Discord. So if you ever want to set up a ticket bot in your Discord server, this is how you actually do it. Follow me step by step so that I can walk you through the steps. Now what you need to do is quickly sign into your Discord and of course open up a new tab, and you want to go to this website here called tickettool.xyz. Go ahead and click on the invite ticket tool, and this is going to give you a pop-up where you need to basically allow your Discord. I'm going to walk you through that step right here. So once you do that, it's going to open up your Discord as you can see here, and you just need to go ahead, select the server that you want to give it access to, click on continue, then you want to ensure everything is set, and then click on authorized. Now from here you can see it's going to ask you maybe if you're a human, go ahead and check that box, and you will see that it quickly loads up and it's successful. Now once you do that, you can even close this window, just go back to your Discord. You can quickly do a refresh. Now from here, all you have to do now guys is just select your server on the left hand side in Discord and click the drop down on the upper left, then go ahead and click on your server settings, and from here go down to roles, and you will see that you have the ticket tool here. You can go ahead and you can move around these. I would recommend make it below the admin so it is there, and all you have to do is just go ahead and click on it. Now once you do that, I want to recommend to you that you go ahead and keep in mind, if you create a new role, then you will need to go to members and go ahead and manage your members and add those members that you want for that role. But in this case, I'm going to just leave it as is with the current role and leave it under the manage members, right? No, that's really all that you have to do from this section. Now I'm going to close out of here and ensure that I'm under the server section. Go ahead and right click, go ahead and click create a new category, and you can go ahead and you can name this one support. I'm going to name this one support and go ahead and click create a category. And once you have your category created, you can go ahead and click the plus and create a category, and you can even name this one support as well, right? Let's go ahead and do that and click on create. Now after that, just go back to this ticket tool that XYZ website, and from here you want to go ahead and click on dashboard. It's going to require you to log in with your Discord. Go ahead and authorize that to log in with Discord. So you want to scroll down, then click on authorize, and you will see that you're right into the Discord. Now you will see that it shows your server as well. So you can go ahead and you can click on manage. And as you can see, you're right here, we don't have any panel. So we can go ahead and click the plus to create a panel. You can name this whatever you want. I'm going to call this one support, and go ahead and click and create. Now at the bottom, just simply click on save. Now once you save that, the next step is to go ahead and click on general. Then go ahead and click in the support team role and just select, for example, the ticket tools. If you created your own role, then you want to go ahead and find that support role as well. But in this case, we're going to work with the ticket tool. So select that, click and save. Then from here, once we're done, we want to just go back and this time click on category. And on this section, we want to click in where it says create or open category. We click on that, and remember the support one we created. We click on that. Then we want to select save again. Now, the next thing we need to do from here is simply go back, and where we have send at the top here, click on send, and we want to go ahead and select the support panel that we created. So I'm going to select that and then click on send. And you will see a pop up on the right hand side, lower right hand side, that says panel send to channel. Now, if we head back over to Discord, now if you look here, you can see that the latest time, okay, 8:17, it shows that support to create a ticket, we can now use a create button to create a new ticket. Now, what I like to do is to go ahead and go into the permissions of this channel. So I'm going to click right here and go to edit channel with the gear on the left hand side, then go to permissions, and you want to scroll down and look for send messages. Right now you want to ensure that this is turned off, so you can go ahead and click the X here to ensure that it's turned off and click and save settings. No, and that's all there is to it. Now, if I go ahead and exit here, all they have to do once a user come here is to go ahead and click on create ticket, and a ticket will be created. And as you can see, it is there and it's now shown on the left hand side, guys, and that's it.